So the next section is proportional relationships. So you're looking at whether things are proportional. Okay, so to be in a proportional relationship, two quantities have a proportional relationship if there is a constant number or rate when multiplied by the first quantity gives the second quantity. And so the constant of proportionality is known as the variable k. And I'm not going to like test you over that or anything, but you're looking at whether something has a constant, like if it stays the same. And you'll understand this. It sounds a lot harder than it is. Okay, two quantities that do not have a constant rate are non-proportional. Sorry, my dog is obviously playing with my husband up there. So what you're going to do is you're doing points per minute. So if I do 8 divided by 1, my answer is 8. If I do points per minute, oh my gosh, sorry, I will remember. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 24 points in 3 minutes is 8. 32 points in 4 minutes is 8. So this is proportional because it stays 8. He's staying at a constant rate. And so that's what it means by being proportional. So if I do the next one, 8 points in 1 minute is 8. 14 points in 2 minutes is 7. 24 points in 3 minutes is 8. And then 36 points in 4 minutes is 9. This is non-proportional because it does not remain constant. It doesn't stay 8 the whole time. Okay, I wish they kind of would leave you a little bit more room. So you're doing laps per minute. So you're taking 3 divided by 1 is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So it is proportional. And they want you to say what the K is. So K equals 3, right? And so we kind of have been doing these with rates. Okay, so 52 divided by 2 is 26. 130 divided by 5 is 26. You can use a calculator. 234 divided by 9, 26. 416 divided by 16 is 26. So this is proportional. Proportional. And the K is equal to 26. All right. I would like you to do 3. I would like you to do 5. Please do 3 and 5. Pause the video and do them. Okay. So if I do 3, I would take 58. 58 divided by 1 is 58. 156 divided by 3, I think is 52. And then this is 58, but this is 59, so they don't say the same, so it's non-proportional. So you cannot give me a K because it's not proportional. All right, so on this one I divide, I get 6.5. Here I divide and I get 6.5. Here I divide, I get 6.5. Divide and I get 6.5. So this is proportional. And the constant is 6.5. Okay. All right. Now the graphs, it can get a little tricky on the graphs. And again, we're going to do graphing later. And so I'm not sure I like how this book brings in the graphing, but I think you can kind of catch on. So if I start right here at 0, am I going up the same over? Up 2 over 2, up 2 over 2, up 2 over 2, up 2 over 2. So then this is proportional. Yes. Okay. It is proportional. And I'm going up 6 over 1. And here, because I'm going to 6 over 1, 6, 1. So my K is 6. Now the next part is where this gets tricky. So you always start at 0. So here I'm going up 3 over 2. So I would go up 3 over, okay, it doesn't hit there. Up 3 over 2, it's not hitting there. So the answer is no. So you always start on that 0 and then you go to the first point and you just keep that same pattern. Okay. All right. So there are 7 grams in each serving. So this would be 7 grams, 14 grams, 21 grams, 28 grams, 35 grams. Okay, and so I'm completing the table. That's what I'm most worried about. Oops, sorry. And so you have servings here. And then I'm going to go up like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And so this is my fat. Okay, so if I do the first point, I'm going over. So I'm going to go 1, up 7. That's a little bit above 5. Over 2, 5, 10. Here's 15. So it'd be about right there. Over 3, 5, 10, 15, 20. A little bit more than 20. Over 4 is 28, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It's a little under that. And then 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So it definitely makes a line, right? All right, so the last one is a sports drink cost 80 cents. Well, this is where because this is 5 per ounce. So I'm going to have to take 0.8 times 5, right? So 0.8 times 5, this is $4. So then if I times by 2, this would be $8. And if I times by 3, this would be $12. And if I times by 4, this would be $16. And if I times by 5, this would be $20. So again, if I go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and this would be my ounces, and then my cost, I could do 5, 10, 15, 20, or whatever. I could probably go. So if I go over 5 and up 4, I go over 10 and up 8. I go over 15 and up 5, 10. So 12. I go over here, 16. And it stays in this pattern. Okay. I am not really worried about the line part of your assignments. I think you've maybe done some stuff with those, so I'm going to just leave it in there. But we're going to spend a lot of time later. So do the best you can on the graphs. If you want me to spend more time on them, just let me know, please.